Welcome to our guide on enjoying life without breaking the bank. Today, we'll dive into some amazing hacks that will help you have fun while keeping your wallet happy. Stick around, you're in for a treat. Last year, the average American household torched $3,635 on entertainment, about $10 every single day. And Brits splashed £89 a week on recreation and culture. If that number punches you in the gut, stay with me. I'm about to hand you 5 adrenaline-pumping hacks that slash the cost without starving the fun. Saving money and having fun, can they really share the same dance floor? Too many of us think every unforgettable memory comes with a brutal price tag. Concert tickets that chew through paychecks, spontaneous weekends that haunt the credit card bill, or late night taxi rides that feel like highway robbery. The truth, fun is a mindset, not a price tag. Today we'll prove it. All the information I'll be sharing is completely free, so I'd appreciate it if you like the video as a thank you. Now, some of you might be tempted to click away too soon, but that would be a huge mistake. If you don't watch this video all the way to the end, you'll miss the key points that can make all the difference. Grab a coffee, settle in, and let's get started. Welcome to 5 Hacks for Frugal Fun. Today, we're diving into some clever tricks to keep your wallet happy while you have a blast. So let's get started, shall we? Hack number 1. Plan like a pro, party like a rebel. Spur of the moment fun is great until the bill shows up. Before your next gig or festival, stalk the venue's FAQ. Many let you bring reusable water bottles, snacks, even fold-up chairs. I once shaved $50 off a music festival tab simply by packing trail mix and a collapsible bottle. Think of pre-planning as sneaking future you backstage with a VIP pass. Your wallet walks straight past the overpriced merch table. Hack number 2. Turn your card into a cash cannon. If you're going to swipe, let the bank pay rent. Use zero-fee cashback or rewards cards for normal spending and funnel the rebates into a pure fun fund. US cardholders who optimize rewards average $300 to $500 back each year, enough for 3 weekend road trips or an annual streaming binge, absolutely free. Pro tip: set the card to auto pay in full. Interest is where fun goes to die. Hack number 3. Crowdsource the good times. Legendary nights aren't forged under chandeliers, they're born around kitchen islands. Swap dinner out for a potluck with a theme: taco wars, sushi DIY, or decade throwback costume feasts. Everyone brings one dish and one playlist pick. You'll spend 70% less than at a restaurant, yet you'll eat more, laugh louder, and own the dress code. Hack number 4. Time travel for bargains. Want travel thrills without the credit card chills? Shift the calendar. Flying off peak can slash fares by 40 to 60%. Hotels follow the same pattern. I once booked a Mediterranean apartment in early May for half the August price and had the cobblestone streets and gelato line to myself. Off-season also means shorter queues, cheaper tours, and photos without photobombs. Hack number 5. Tech-powered treasure hunts. Your phone is a coupon bazooka if you load it with the right ammo. Apps like Honey, Too Good To Go, or Gas Buddy Auto Scan for discounts, leftover gourmet meals, and the cheapest pumps in town. Stack those micro savings. $5 here, $8 there, and watch them snowball into concert tickets or a shiny new hobby by year's end. All right, let's dive into some examples and rapid fire bonus hacks. We've covered a lot, but there's always more to learn. Ready? Here we go. People binge buy experiences to keep up on social media. Yet, a study out of the University of Chicago shows anticipated memories deliver more happiness than spontaneous splurges. Swifties spent an average of £850 each on the Eras tour, including outfits and hotel rooms. Great for the UK economy, brutal for personal budgets. Picture this: Friday night, you and 3 friends debating whether to grab last-minute comedy club tickets. They're £45 a pop plus drinks. Instead, you pitch a back garden comedy roast with a borrowed mic, £10 takeaway pizzas, and free streaming stand-up clips projected on a sheet. Total cost, £52 for the entire crew. Laughter per pound ratio off the charts. Fun shouldn't be a financial hangover. Ask yourself before every swipe, will I remember this or regret it? If it's a memory maker, great, just tame the cost first. If it's filler, swerve. Rapid fire bonus hacks, library goldmine, free ebooks, movie nights, even 3D printers. Skill swap Saturdays, teach guitar, learn yoga, zero cash, tons of value. Mystery picnics. Each friend brings one surprise snack under £5. The reveal is half the fun. Secondhand sport, Facebook marketplace bikes, thrift shop skis, sustainability meets savings. Challenge jar. Every time you dodge a latte, drop the £3 into a jar marked adventure. Watch it fill faster than you think. Alright folks, we've covered a lot today. From savvy savings to smart spending, you now have a toolkit to make your money work harder for you. Remember, it's not just about cutting costs, it's about maximizing your life's experiences. So go ahead and put these hacks to the test. Let's zoom out. The average person loses thousands chasing weekend thrills the normal way. Flip the script and you pocket that cash and craft stories money can't buy. Plan ahead, weaponize rewards, gather the squad, travel smart, and let tech sniff out bargains. Suddenly, saving becomes a game, and games are fun by design. Your turn. Dive into the comments and tell us your secret weapon for saving money while still living large. I reply to every early comment, so jump in fast. Smash the like button if you grabbed even one new idea. Share this video with a friend who's always broke after payday, and subscribe for a weekly dose of financial freedom served with a side of fun. Because life's too short to be boring and way too short to be broke.